This is my 1994 Landcruiser FZJ80R. It's got the 1FZ petrol engine, good for 153 kilowatts. This particular model is the Getaway variant, which is like a collaboration between this pretty iconic Australian TV show and a bunch of Toyotas in the 90s. Came with this Getaway variant. I think the main difference is that they retain the base model flareless body, but they have the GXL interior options such as power windows, power mirrors, and they have this kind of brownish interior. My particular car has 308,000 kilometers on it. It's a manual, as you can see, and yeah, I love it. It's already got the Heyman Reese 3500 kilo tow package on it. This particular part of the bumper was ripped off when my brother was driving it in Lithgow on the tracks. It has 285 7516s. On the back they're Mickey Thompson ATZs, and on the front they're Mickey Thompson MTZs. I didn't do it, I bought the car like that. It's got a Petters 2-inch lift in it. No other real work really. It's a bit beat up, to be honest. Like, this is some dodgy repair work that I did myself because it was pretty smashed up when I bought it. Been in some kind of front end collision. How good's this? Bull bar not bolted in because the frame rail is terribly bent. The front bar will fall off one day, which I'm excited for. It drives quite well. They're not as slow as a N8 diesel, which is why I kind of prefer the petrol, as well as the fact that they're half the price. I picked this one up for 6,500, including 12 months registration. It's not the most amazing deal considering that it's pretty beat up. It's good enough in my books. They're low-ish Ks in comparison, and really I'm just kind of in love with the color. I like these weird shitty gold colors, so that's what kind of got me onto it. So I kind of want to retain its functionality as a wagon, because as you can see I use it to carry stuff. It's really not the best. Like, there's a bit of rust, as you can see. It leaks water when it rains. The only real modifications I've done to it: hectic air freshener and a Broadway mirror. I've just, changed the oil filters, did the gearbox fluids as well. Nothing crazy. My plans for this, really not much. I'm not going to put any drawers or make it anywhere near a tour or anything. I kind of need it to stay pretty bare on the inside so that I can carry stuff like this. There are a couple things that I want to do. Turn this into more of a storage unit, which would be very helpful, because at the moment I carry like recovery gear and tools and shit just behind the back seat, which means like every time I want to put more than 3 people in the car, dump all this shit in the back, which is annoying, but like, I can live with it. But it would be nice to have some storage. I'd like to go to a slightly bigger tire. I don't know if it's for functionality or just for looks. I like the look of a big tire on a flareless 4-wheel drive. These wheels are just 16x7 dynamics or whatever they're called. I want to go to a 16x8 and yeah, run like a 315 7516. Yeah, I love poke, to be honest, on 4-wheel drives. I'm not going to do much bar work, maybe like a low profile back bar. If I do get sliders, they're going to be quite tucked up just to keep it looking bare. And then this bull bar, once I get the frame rail fixed, I'm going to probably put a factory bar back on, make like a winch cradle and allow for a winch to be running. This is the 1FZ FE, solid motor. It's not amazingly fast, but it's got plenty of power. The only downside is that they drink a lot of fuel. I do have a couple of things in store which I want to do to make the fuel economy and power better. Yeah, the aircon in this is mad, can't complain. It's a solid rig. It's going to be used to tow my drift car, which you'll be seeing more videos of.